All right, fellas. Hey, what's up, baby? Oh, shit, my bad. Yeah, my bad, bro. What up, boy? You're not gonna do it tomorrow. Yes, sir. Hey, who got zip tie? Everybody zip tie? Damn. I need one zip tie, Karen. Excuse me, G. Zip tie? All right, bro.
How you doing?
Nico? Happy, bro. Jose.
Hey, that's my boy Freddy right there, don't
Jose, bro. Nice to meet you, bro. All right.
Yeah.
Zip tie, buddy. What the fuck? Yeah, I dropped something. Probably a quarter or something. There you go. Appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Come on, brother.
Not well.
Right.
I'm having an extremely hard time breathing.
I feel you.
Hard time breathing. What do you mean?
Fucking, my dad was dying. I changed smoke till he died, and now I'm trying to get healthy again. And
Oh, shit.
I might have smoked too much, and it's going to take a minute to heal my lungs.
Good luck with that, bro.
And I'm trying. I quit smoking in 16 days without a cigarette, so.
You know what everybody says. It's all about
That's a
wanting
start.
to. It's all about wanting to. You know what everybody says.
Right? I'm trying to, right?
Yeah. It's all about really wanting to. You know what everybody says.
It's up there, it's not me.
I know what I'm thinking. Yes, sir.
You guys got this red light like